Hello everyone, take a cup and then make a slit through it and then cut off the top portion of it. Now using only the base, cut off two triangular portions out of it, join them one into the other, stick them together and make a fish. Now we will be learning how to make this kind of fish. Draw on a circular shape on a folded piece of paper and then draw on the shape of a fish. Cut out the shape and then you should have two of them. Add a slightly blown up balloon to it and then add tape on one of the sides of one of the fishes. Then stick them together as such and then push it. We'll be learning how to make these rings. Start off by taking a small square and then make a slit through it. Do this after folding it into half. Now, fold in two of the edges to make it meet at the center and then lift out the cut up portions. As for the bottom, make horizontal folds on it, lift it upwards. Draw on the face and then cut out the ears. Insert one end into the other. Take a blue sheet of paper and on one of the halves, make multiple slits on it as such. Add multiple circles on one of the ends and then using a cylindrical shape, roll it upwards as such. Add eyes to the top and a cute little smile. Now take an empty tissue roll and then on one half of it draw oval shapes, on the other make this particular shape. Fold it outwards as such, color it in orange. Add the face of a tiger. Next, take a pink sheet of paper and then using this kind of punch, make multiple circles out of it. Do this with different colors, stick them one on top of the other after folding them, add the head to it. Do this in different colors. Now we will be learning how to make these rowing boatmen. Cut out a strip of some empty egg crate and then paint the top in white. Paint the bottom in green as such and then add clay to the top. Add toothpicks on either side and then add some clay. Use a stick in the middle and row accordingly. Add the faces. Now we will be learning how to make this tiger. Start off by taking 3 straws and then add 3 of them together. Make 2 or 3 holes in a cup and then add these straws through it. Draw on the face of a tiger and then attach it to the top of the straw. Add the paws as well as the tail. Now we will be learning how to make this expandable worm. For this, start off by taking some tissue paper and then make multiple multicolored lines on it. Taking any sort of cylindrical thing, such as a stick, wrap it around it and then add some glue to one of the ends. Add black marks as well as some dots all over and then add it in a bowl, add some water. Now we will be learning how to make these dragonflies. Take a square sheet of paper, make diagonal folds on it as well as horizontal and vertical ones. This should be a 15 by 15 centimeter paper. Make a square shape out of it and then fold in the sides. Make sure that these folds are internal. Open it up slightly in order to do so. Lift 2 of the edges upwards and outwards as such. Now fold in the sides to make a smaller, narrower, thinner side edge. Do the same for the top portion as well. Now only the sides will be rather thicker. Make 2 slits on it. Fold in 2 of the sides as such. This is what it should look like. Roll down the top as such. Now you have your dragonflies. Now we will be learning how to make this worm. Start off by taking a green sheet of paper that is 15 by 15 centimeters long. Make 2 folds at the top and the bottom, add tape on either side and stick them together. As for the center, make multiple slits as such. Add a face to the front, add the eyes as well as a cute little smile. Take a transparent glove and then paint the top in red. Add a big eye in the center and then on one of the sides add a beak. Add a cup right under it and then blow in through a straw as you please. For our next craft, we will be learning how to make these finger bunnies. Take some tissue paper, make 2 folds to it and then fold the edges downwards. Make a narrower fold in these and then roll it up into a circle. Wrap it around your finger, color in the edges. Thank you for watching.